What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Starbucks video for you guys. So for today's drink we're going to be doing a Reeses Frappuccino. I don't know how they're going to make it taste like a Reeses because there's no peanut butter in it. So I'm really curious on how they're going to do it and if it actually is going to taste like a Reeses or like what. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm so excited to try it. I love Reeses cups. So I'm hoping it's good, because if it's not, I'm gonna be like, I'm stressed. Let's go. I'm sweating so bad. It's like so bad. My AC doesn't work in my car. I'm gonna cry. Summer's gonna be rough. I'm not even kidding. It's gonna be so hard. And I'm sweating and everything is like taking so long and I'm sweating. Okay guys, so I have the Reeses drink right here. Oh my god, I didn't realize someone was in their car and now they're watching me. It's okay, whatever. I'm never gonna see them again. It's a grande Java chip Frappuccino, 3 pumps of the coffee roast, which I don't know if that's supposed to be in there, but that's what the drink came with. Let me turn off my car so it stops shaking. And then 5 pumps of mocha, 1 pump of toffee nut, and 1 pump of caramel syrup. So we're gonna see if this actually tastes like a Reeses. It doesn't sound like it's gonna taste like a Reeses literally at all, but I'm just gonna give it the benefit of the doubt, and we just don't know how it's gonna taste yet. I haven't tasted it, so here we go. Yep. Oh no. That tastes nothing like a Reeses at all. It tastes like coffee. It doesn't even taste chocolatey either. Like, I don't taste like chocolate at all. Like, I just taste coffee, and I don't even taste caramel, and I taste a little bit of the toffee nut, but like, I don't taste chocolate, which is weird, and I don't obviously taste peanut butter because there's no peanut butter in here, so I didn't know how it was gonna be a Reeses cup Frappuccino without peanut butter in there, but I was just gonna listen to the TikTok information on what they gave me, and that's what they said would taste like a Reeses cup. But I'm a little disappointed because it didn't taste like it, but I'm gonna keep looking for a better recipe for a Reeses cup, because honestly I don't know how we would make that happen, just because I don't even think they have peanut butter. I don't even know if they have peanut butter available, like, or will ever have peanut butter available. Okay, so why did the light just go so dark? But yeah, it doesn't taste like it at all. I'm really sad and disappointed, but it's okay. I'll give it a 3 out of 10. I don't recommend it. Doesn't taste like it. Waste of money. I think it was like $5 or maybe a little bit more than that. So just don't waste your money on it. I will find another recipe for us to try in the future. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.